friends! Do you love birthdays and yummy cakes? Today we're going to draw a super fun and colorful birthday cake together.
Yay!
Get your black marker and let's begin. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw a big oval. This is the base of our cake. Now, draw the first layer of the cake, a wide rectangle on top of the base. Great! Let's draw the second layer, a smaller rectangle above the first.
La da 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 dee.
Now, draw the third layer, make it a little smaller than the second one. Amazing! Now, let's draw a cute candle on top of the cake. Time to decorate. Add heart shapes and curvy lines on each layer to make it extra special. Nice job, everyone! Our birthday cake is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring this cake to life with rainbow colors. Let's show the color pens one by one and say the names. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Wow!
Blue color.
La 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 la.
color. Pink color. Wow! That looks delicious and colorful. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and come back soon for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.